Hello, welcome to our new content. So this time, let's do solar power calculations for home. Okay, so this content is para to sa magbabalak magkabit ng solar sa kanilang bahay. So from here, meron tayong gagawing calculations. First is the inverter selection. Next is the battery. Third is the solar panels. So ito yung mga item na gagawa natin ng calculations. Okay, so this is simple calculations para di masyadong mahirap intindihin. Okay, so step 1, we have our load consumed. So let we say or assume na yung load mo sa bahay is 500 watts AC load. Okay, so yung 500 watts is pwede siyang combination ng ilaw, outlet, then lahat ng mga loads na yung pwede yung ginagamit mo commonly sa bahay. Okay, so assume tayo na 500 watts. Okay, so yung ilaw natin, actually ano to, iron, saksakan at saka yung electric fan. Okay, so for the step 2 is the inverter selection. So yung load mo sa bahay is 500 watts. So actually yung inverter is meron namang 500 watts, but sa ating design, let's use 1 kilowatt inverter. So for the purpose is sa future expansion, or meron kang idagdag ng mga gamit. And then for the step 3, for the sizing of battery, so that is ampere hours is equals to watts times hour over volts. So yung home load, AC load natin is 500 watts, yung hours backup time is 12 hours, yung system voltage is 12 volts DC. So we have 500 ampere hour. So yun yung battery na pwede natin gamitin, capacity. Okay, so and then for the number of batteries, actually madali lang, that is number of batteries, capacity, divide mo siya na yung battery na yung ampere hour na pwede mong gamitin. So sa ating design is 12 volts na 200 ampere hour. So divide mo lang siya, 500 over 200, so we can have 2.5 batteries, or let's say 3 batteries, 12 volts na 200 ampere hour. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so next is the for the step 3, again for the battery charging current, we have, as we know that the charging current should be 10% of the ampere hour rating of the battery. So we have 500 ampere hour times 10. So yung charging current natin is 50 amperes. So for the step 4, for the solar panels, so solar panels current, so yung ating battery charging current plus home load current DC. So yung charging current natin is actually the same kanina, that is 50 amperes. For the home load current, so that is 500 watts over 12 volts DC. So again, yung ating 500 watts is yung ating load. So we have 41.67 amperes. And then to get the sum, that is 50 plus 41.67, so we have 91.67 amperes. And then so how many solar panel needed? Ilan yung kailangan natin? So solar panels power, so 91.67, yung ating voltage is 12 volts. Meron tayo by use Ohm's law. Okay, so ito 91.67 is the sum yung kanina. And then yung 12 volts, yung battery na ginamit natin sa design. So that is 1,100 watts. Yung solar total power. So to get the how many solar panel needed, so sa ating design is 400 watts yung isang panel na gamitin natin. So 1,100 divided 400, that is 2.75 panels, or let's say 3 panels of 400 watts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yun yung gamitin natin. Okay, so for the summary of calculations, 500 watts AC load. So again, yung inverter natin is 1 kilowatt. Yung ating battery is 3 sets of 12 volts na 200 ampere hour. Next LED, solar panel, 3 sets na 400 watts. So yun lang yung actually simple calculations lang yung ginawa natin. So I hope meron kayong ma-learn sa ating discussion, konting discussion lang. So please subscribe para kayo updated sa mga videos na gagawin ko.